The problem tells us that the ratio of shirts to dresses to jackets is 9 to 4 to 5. Now, as long as you keep those ratios, we're good. So let's look and see let's go through and multiply each one of those by a factor of 2. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. Now let's just multiply. I'm just finding different possibilities. As long as we keep the same ratios, we're okay. Now multiply by 3. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. That's probably enough, but let's go one more time. Multiply by 4. 9 times 4 is 36. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. And we also know that dresses are greater than 7. That's all given. So, and I'm trying to find what is the total number of articles of clothing in the closet. So we're trying to find S plus D plus J. All right, clue 1. We know that S plus J is less than 30. So that is S is shirts. So that column plus jackets. So 9 plus 5 in this first row is 14. Now here, 18, okay, well wait, 9 plus 5 is 14, so that's less than 30, but we also know that dresses is greater than 7, and here dresses is 4, so that doesn't work. So let me erase that little arrow there. And now let's use clue 1 again, and try this 18, 8, and 10. All right, dresses is greater than 7, yes, it's an 8. Now, what is shirt plus jacket? 18 plus jacket, which is 10, is 28, which is less than 30. If you go the next row, then it's not, it's larger. So clue 1 works. It tells us that we're in the category of 18, 8, and 10, and you could add those up and you'd have your answer. All right, so clue 1 works. Now, what about clue 2? Clue 2 says shirt plus dress is 26. Well, that's got to be this one again, because 18 plus 8 is 26, and dresses is greater than 7. So that also works independently. So both work independently. Your answer is D.